Cleaning instructions. If you have any cleaning solution left in the lower red tank when you have finished your cleaning, this can be emptied by taking the machine outside and switching it to hand tool on. Note, the machine needs to be plugged into power. Any remaining fluid will drain out underneath the machine. Once the water stops running out, turn the machine off. Alternatively, unplug the machine, remove the white bucket and tip the machine forward and upside down. Unplug machine before cleaning. Do not spray or immerse machine in water. Remove the filter by pushing the spring against the clear plastic wall of the dome. Clean inside the clear dome. Make sure the dome filter is not clogged with excess fluff. Remove any fluff or debris that is clogging the outside of the filter. If necessary, run the filter under a tap to remove any other debris, then refit the filter into the clear dome. Rinse out white upper tank. Use a coat hanger or long thin instrument to hook out any carpet debris if clogging vacuum nozzle. Wipe underneath machine with a damp cloth and using a rubber glove, clean fluff off vibrating brush. If you have any questions, please call our customer services team on 0800 800 245.